Bone broth has become very popular recently, especially among health-conscious individuals. This is because it's believed to have many health benefits. Although there is no published research on bone broth itself, there's plenty of evidence that suggests drinking it may be very beneficial. Today's video will discuss the potential benefits, bone broth, and how to make it. Bone broth is made by simmering the bones and connective tissue of animals. This highly nutritious stock is commonly used in soups, sauces, and gravies. It has also recently gained popularity as a health drink. Bone broth dates back to prehistoric times when hunter-gatherers turned otherwise inedible animal parts like bones, hooves, and knuckles into a broth they could drink. You can make bone broth using bones from just about any animal: pork, beef, veal, turkey, lamb, bison, buffalo, venison, chicken, or fish. Marrow and connective tissues like feet, hooves, beaks, gizzards, or fins can be used. How to make bone broth. Making bone broth is very simple. There are many recipes online, but most people don't even use a recipe. All you really need is a large pot, water, vinegar, and bones. To get you started, here is an easy recipe you can follow. Ingredients: 1 gallon of water, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 4 pounds of animal bones, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: place all ingredients in a large pot or slow cooker. Bring to a boil. Reduce to a simmer and cook for 12-24 hours. The longer it cooks, the better it will taste and more nutritious it will be. Allow the broth to cool. Strain it into a large container and discard the solids. In order to make the most nutritious broth, it is best to use a variety of bones: marrow bones, oxtail, knuckles, and feet. You can even mix and match bones in the same batch. Adding vinegar is important because it helps pull all of the valuable nutrients out of the bones and into the water, which is ultimately what you will be consuming. You can also add vegetables, herbs, or spices to your broth to enhance the flavor. Common additions include garlic, onion, celery, carrot, parsley, and thyme. These can be added right away in step 1. As you can see, bone broth is incredibly easy to make. Here are 5 reasons you might want to try it. 1. It contains many important vitamins and minerals. In general, bone broth is very nutritious. However, the nutrient content does depend on the ingredients you use, as each brings something different to the table. 2. It may benefit the digestive system. Scientists have discovered that your overall health depends heavily on the health of your intestinal tract. 3. It may help fight inflammation. The amino acids found in bone broth, including glycine and arginine, have strong anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Its nutrients have been shown to improve joint health. Collagen is the main protein found in bones, tendons, and ligaments. During the cooking process, collagen from bones and connective tissue is broken down into another protein called gelatin. Gelatin contains important amino acids that support joint health. 5. It is weight loss friendly. Bone broth is typically very low in calories, but can still satisfy hunger. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.